Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Oliver Travels, and today I'm going to take you to multicultural Greenland. And I'm going to start this video off with a little tip for you guys. If you're into greens and vegetables and stuff, this is the place to go. Definitely the biggest selection of greens and the best prices in Oslo. So let's go check it out.
I don't know, no one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart, maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me without you fly? 'Cause I'm coming I just wanna come alive.
End of the road for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of Oslo. I got myself a banana, as I always do. See you around.